On 14th January 2022, IG Prisons M. Kharkrang flagged off 5 new under-trial prisoner vans at the premises of the Shillong District Jail. Those present included the Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills District S. Nongtynger and Superintendent of Police City Vivek Syiem. Talking to reporters, M. Kharkrang informed that the department is taking several measures towards prison reforms, including the construction of a central jail at the proposed 25 acres of land in New Shillong Township. The master plan for the proposed construction will be prepared by the department, even as informing that they had paid a visit to few of the central jails in other states along with officials of the PWD, informed Kharkrang. The setting up of the central jail will help to ease the current congestion at the Shillong District Jail. Also, the IG informed that skill development with the support of the Meghalaya Skill Development Society would also form part of the training for reformation of prisoners at the Shillong District Jail.
See, we have just flagged off 5 of the UTP vans. This is just one part of it, but I just want to share with you some of the steps that we have taken towards prisons reforms. One of the things that we have done is that we want to change the approach of the prisons department towards the inmates. So now we are trying to reform that and make it a more human approach. So first of all, what we have done is we have set up our motto of the prisons department as changing life through corrective steps or corrective measures. And the second thing is that we have initiated this skill development, and this is with the support of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. And they will be starting off with Shillong District Jail, where they will be teaching the inmates in various skills like soap making, tailoring, food processing, agriculture, computer training also. And this is not that has been imposed on the inmates, but we have asked them if they want to be trained in any of the skill development. So we will be willingly impart to them the training. And subsequently also we are also looking at placing them in various employment agencies now after they have left the prisons. And the third thing that we have done is that we are tying up with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. There's a program called this Parivartanam Prison to Pride, and we will be launching that probably in January 26, where various sports activities will be, coaching will be given to all the inmates as per the discipline that they would like to be imparted. And a lot of them have come forward and they said a lot of them they want to be imparted with the various coachings like carom board and football, volleyball, all these kind of things. Not so we are tying up this with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And the third thing is that, you know, like what we have done is for any reformation, the first and foremost I feel is that the nomenclature of the department has to also change. So what we have done is we have written to the government to change the name of the prison department from prisons department to prisons and correctional services. And hopefully government will be coming out with notification. As far as I know, the approval has been given, and shortly they will be coming out with the notification. And another thing that we have done is that now we will be imparting training to our warders and all, and especially because they are the ones who are interacting with the inmates on a daily basis. So we are imparting training to them on behavioral changes towards the inmates. And last of all is that we are coming up with these central prisons in a land which has been allotted to us in the New Shillong Township. There's a land of about 25 acres that has been allotted for us, and shortly we'll be coming up with a master plan on this. So these are the few of the steps that we have taken towards police reforms. Long-term basis, I should say, trying to completion of the Nongtynger District Jail and setting up the central jail. And these are the long-term measures that we are taking up. But as long till the time that these new jails come up, then we'll have to bear with it.
What will be the actual sum?
167. It is overcrowded. Its construction work will start only after the master plan has been done. And we had visited these good central jails outside, along with the architects from PWD, Chief Architect PWD, and looking at the good things good practices and the good things that they have over there. And though of course we are not going to implement on the scale that they are going, but probably on a smaller scale.
So
definitely. In fact, that's the whole idea of having a central jail. The whole idea of having a central jail is that convicts will be segregated from the UTPs. That's the whole idea.